User stories changed how our team builds software. Instead of just getting a list of requirements, we learned who we were actually building for.
Before user stories, we would code for weeks, then discover the feature we built didn't solve the actual problem. Now we understand the why behind every request.
As a product manager, user stories help me connect what the customer needs with what the team can actually deliver. It brings everyone to the same understanding.
In my experience, user stories create a shared language between technical and non-technical team members. Suddenly, everyone understands who we are solving for.
I just started as a designer, and user stories helped me understand the real people using our app. It made my design decisions so much more meaningful.
The user story format. As a user, I want this, so that something. It forces us to think like real people. Not like engineers, but like actual humans.
User stories keep our team agile. We can reprioritize based on what users actually need instead of guessing. It's a game changer for how fast we adapt.
I love that user stories remind us why we're building. Every sprint, we focus on real user value instead of just checking boxes. That's when work feels meaningful.
I've managed teams for over 20 years. User stories are one of the best tools we've adopted because they shift focus from task lists to actual human needs.
User stories bring clarity. They connect us to users. They drive better solutions. They make work meaningful.